and welcome to today's video. We have just left Animal Kingdom. It is 7:20. Just for record, it is 4.7 miles between next one between Magic Kingdom and Animal Kingdom, and 10 minutes, so it's actually not too bad. We're gonna go to Bay Lake Tower first and go to Top of the World Lounge, and then we have a individual lightning lane to ride Tron again between 8 and 9. We definitely want to ride it at night again. That was much better. It's great either way, but definitely better at night. So we're gonna go to Bay Lake Tower for a few minutes and then walk over to Magic Kingdom, and then also hopefully catch a Happily Ever After since we didn't get to see it last night. So that's where we're headed. Yeah, come join us. You excited, Ryder? Yeah. So we are in Top of the World Lounge. Actually, it wasn't hard to get in. I asked if there was a wait list or if we could go up, and he asked how long we were planning to be up, and I said we're just going to be planning up to be for like 20 or 30 minutes, and they said no problem. If you were planning on staying to fireworks, then there was probably going to be a wait list. But yeah, so not too many people here right now, but it is 7:36 and the fireworks aren't for another, almost 2 hours. So I ordered a drink, Ray ordered some food, we ordered a mocktail for Ryder, and yeah, let's enjoy it a little bit, enjoying the AC before we head over to Magic Kingdom. You excited? It's called the Lion's Uncle. Yeah? You excited? And then I got the Tower Truck.
There you go.
How was it? Good? You got the thumbs up. That's good. It's good. Not too sweet.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah.
That's very good.
She said it was refreshing.
Yeah,
and she was
that's
right.
very good. Yeah.
So
Dinner.
we got the charcuterie board and the shrimp. Ryder and I aren't hungry, but I just got hungry.
I knew it was going to happen.
So everything was great. How was your food?
Very good. Shrimp was fantastic. And the charcuterie board is very good.
So everything was good. Yeah, so they said basically that the Wicked Wind Down is still going on, but they're starting it later, so it's not like the tables are reserved the whole night. So if you come in early, like we are, then you can get a table for a little bit, but like you have to be gone by a certain time. So that's why when I asked, we're only going to be here for a little bit, and that was something that they weren't doing earlier. So, but yeah, so we're going to go now, and we are going to head to Magic Kingdom to ride Tron, and our boarding group started 5 minutes ago. So we are back in Magic Kingdom, and it is 8:28, and it's still not dark. So forgot about daylight savings time. So we are waiting for it to get dark. We want to ride Tron, or Ryder wants to ride Tron in the dark. So we're headed over to Tomorrowland, maybe do something else. Our window is from 8 to 9, and there's like a 15-minute grace period. But so we have to check in by 9:15, but we'll probably check in a few minutes. We'll head over there because there is a wait once you actually get in line. And then there's just a lot of people here already waiting for the fireworks. That's not us. I want to see the fireworks, but I don't want to wait for them. And there's already set up for the dessert party. People are checking in. So we're waiting for it to get a little darker. So now we're just in the store, the Launch Depot, to look at all the Tron merchandise. He wanted to come here yesterday. Space Mountain is down and Seven Dwarfs Mine Train is down. So, yeah, it is what it is. Okay, so it's gotten definitely a lot darker. Now we're gonna head over, and by the time we ride, it'll be dark. If you're gonna buy a lightning lane, buy it at night. It's so much better. And our time was 8 to 9, and it's 8:52.
Please do not push on the doors. Please wait for the doors to automatically open.
It looks super cool. Timed it perfect. Yeah. It timed it perfectly.
And then that's the seat. If you want to do the seat and you don't want to do the bike. was that? Good? Honey?
I saw that.
Yep.
Oh, close. That was good on camera, but
Okay, totally worth coming back for. Now we're gonna go to Astro Orbiter. We want to do Space Mountain and Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, and both of them were down. So we're gonna do Astro Orbiter. We didn't do that yesterday.
that's nice.
Hi. And that's where we were. We were just there.
Go back on the control lever.
Okay, prepare for liftoff. Here we go. Here
Wow.
we go. Blast off. Here we go. Woo!
What's my triangle down?
Okay.
Triangle.
Woo!
Why can't they get up?
You gotta pull back to go up. And now we're doing a quick ride on Buzz Lightyear. We didn't do it yesterday and there was no wait. Woohoo! Yes, I'm a galactic hero. Woohoo!
Okay, just raise your right hand and say, I, Space Ranger, and then your name.
I, Space Ranger, Ryder, Shannon.
I swear, the galactic hero this galaxy needs. To infinity.
I'm John.
All right. So it is 10:37. We just got back to our resort, and we did drive because we had driven from Animal Kingdom to Bay Lake Tower to go to Top of the World. If you are going to Top of the World, you can park there. And we walked over to Magic Kingdom, and I mean, we're only in Magic Kingdom for 2 hours. So we did Tron. We got to Magic Kingdom like around 8:20. Actually, we're less than 2 hours. Got around there at 8:20. Went and rode Tron closer to 9, and it was great. So much fun riding it at night. You know, it was worth going back again, even though it was like $60-something for the Lightning Lane. You're paying $1 a second, but it was great to do it again. Ryder did want to ride Space Mountain, but it was down. It did finally come up like 9:45, but at that point, the line, everybody was running over there, and the line got super long. So we did Astro Orbiter, and got to see the fireworks from Astro Orbiter while we were in line. Not my idea, not really was my plan, but Ryder didn't really want to watch the fireworks. So we did that, and then we got to do Buzz, and I got to do Galactic Hero, and I didn't even know there was an oath. So that was fun. We did the oath, got the sticker, and that was fun. So, you know, it was a great, you know, second half of the day. That wasn't originally the plan, but we really enjoyed Tron so much that we decided to do that. And then going, since we had our car, we were debating whether do we drive back to the resort and take the boat over. And then I just was like, well, let's try and go to Top of the World Lounge. Ray was hungry, and I could have used the drink, so it worked out. It was really nice, and it was really nice to get up there, and I like the fact that you can get up there and grab something and have, like, you know, it's kind of how it was before, but then they also do the reserved tables, but it's not like reserved the whole time, so it's pretty much because those people are doing it for the fireworks. So it was a lot of fun, really great day. So tomorrow we are checking out, and we're going back to Epcot, so that's the plan. Ryder did want to go back to, he wanted to go back to Magic Kingdom, but right now there's no park passes, and so the original plan is to go to Epcot. So we're headed tomorrow, but first I gotta pack, so not fun, but it's been a great trip. So if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.